Everybody, we are going seeing it 7 p.m. Oh, 5 minutes before 7 p.m. My English is no longer working. It has expired. May kambing. Takot, diba? But you know, I think on my previous vlogs, I'm no longer saying my intro. Okay, so let me say my intro today. Okay, let's do my intro for everyone who's new to my channel. My name, magsasalam siya. Okay. Nahinto yung intro ko kasi may Assalamualaikum na magaganap. Okay, go. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Singgay. At chatik. Assalamualaikum. Nahinto yung intro ko sa kalang.
After tomorrow, so he invite us for
the marriage? Ay, okay. Okay, we will attend for tomorrow. Mag-attend talaga kami. Yes, we will go. Yes. In-invite kami sa wedding. Ayan na, may wedding content na ako. Ito yung pinakahihintay ko talaga. Diyos ko, ang mga sangkabataan. Ang gagwapo. Say hi. Gwapo. Sumama kayo sa amin. Sumama ka sa amin sa kanto ng Malabon. Dali, doon kayo mag-motor-motor. Okay. Inaano naman yung intro ko. Let me do my intro once again. For everybody who's new to my channel, my name is Kay Torero. I have a million peso, quit my job to pursue my dream to travel as many countries as I can. So join me on my heart-warming adventures to explore the world as a solo traveler. And without further ado, let's go. Hi everybody, good afternoon, Kay Torero here. So for today's video, come with me as we want to watch like one of the most famous game here in Derby Village. I'm not sure if it's just in Derby Village or like or in the whole Pakistan. So marhaba. Assalamualaikum.
Mashallah.
Salam. So here we will go here to Assalamualaikum. Salam. Baba. Assalamualaikum. So I thought it's gonna be kids who's gonna be playing. Assalamualaikum, how are you? Singgay. Ay, okay. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Natapakan ko yung Jolen. I thought it's gonna be kids who's gonna be playing. I'm surprised it's the old ones. Okay, let's watch them. Just having this mango juice. We're heading to Dam after this. Like Sulaimana prepared the program for me. Taray, diba? Ang daming program na nagaganap. So yeah, let's watch there. Okay, I'm really surprised. I thought it's gonna be kids, like young adults. Yeah, young adults. So it's gonna be playing. I'm surprised it's the old ones. I'm so happy. I'm really happy, you know, every time I see like kids or the old ones doing something surprising. Hi, the English is working. I have 20 more minutes. The English will expire in 20 minutes, everybody. It's 6:35 in the evening here. I think it's one of their traditional game. We're gonna ask Mukhtar later about that. Kaya aminin nyo, it's so ano ba, like very surprising, and I'm so happy to see this. I hope you are as well. I did not see, but okay. My eyes are not good. I can't see that. I have to check that on the camera after when I'm editing. I didn't know what happened, but they reacted, so I should react as well. It's like that. So when someone like wait. So it's like that when someone try to hit the stone and then. So I think I don't know how to say it in English. Basta kung saan napunta yung palang papamato. Ayun yung i-hit mong next. Based on my understanding, ha. Hi, look, like the old ones are the ones who's playing. I really love this. There's too much kids inside now. Nobody's here when we got here. Like just the old patans lang who was playing. But now there's too much kids na. We also have this in the Philippines. We call it Jolen. Ah, see, they hit it. See? Exactly like the one we have in the Philippines. Hoy, I'm really happy and cute. I'm so happy to see old people playing. Really. Because in the Philippines, we just do chismis, right? Like 3 to 5 p.m. I mean, yan. And my mom is guilty as well. Sorry, mom. But you are. Hoy, I'm happy, Ringy. I don't know. I don't know. I'm really happy to see this. I like this. I like this. I really, really love this. See? I hope I'm really one of the first bloggers to showcase this kind of thing here. And if I am, I'm happy. Assalamualaikum. How are you? Where's my bag? Or is it just me? Are you also happy to see this? Because me, I'm really happy. I love this. I really, really liked it. See, I'm following them. I love this. I love this. Huh? Sorry, it's Coda, no? It's called Coda. Coda? Okay, it's called Coda. Okay. That's... Ay, may score pang nagagana. Ay, tingnan mo, may mga score pa pala doon. Oh. Ang galing. I like this. My God, I love that. Really, I really, really love this. May pagpupulong. Medyo may mga anong nagaganap. Gaaway. Oh, see? There were no kids here earlier. Yung mga batang yan, sumunod pa yan. Sa taga-kanto namin yung mga yan, nagsunodan. Ang gapo ng register ni Patan sa video, alam niyo ba? Ang gapo niya sa video. Gulpihin ko yan. Okay. Hindi mo kaya. May patribya na naman siya. He's so serious right now, oh my God. Oh, it went there. I don't know if you can see it, but the ball all the way from Malabon City, napunta siya sa Quezon City there. See? I don't know what they're doing, but I don't know. Just keep watching, everybody. Because I also don't know what's happening. From there, so he has like a lot of balls, like 5 balls, and their goal is to hit this white ball here. Ganun pala. So, he didn't hit it. See, too much people. Okay, so may team pala. So there are like 3 teams and every member has 2 shots to hit this. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, there you go. So they have to hit that now. How many members per team?
3 and 3.
Okay, so there are 3 teams and 3 members each. 15 minutes left to my English, everybody. So, what are they doing?
They're
I see, I don't know what they're doing, but I don't know.
You want to move near to that one. So after this one, hit to that one. They're waiting.
Okay. I think they're inviting us to eat. I don't understand it, but based on their gestures, they're inviting us to eat. But we have another program. I think Mokhtar told them that we cannot. Gusto ko yan, yung ginaganoon. Okay. Okay. Hayanis don't understand what's happening, but hoy, nakasunod ka agad, Anasa. Nakasunod siya agad. Talaga naman. I don't understand what's happening, but everybody, let's just watch it, you know. This is like... Patan, is this a tournament? Tournament or just playing?
There's 50. Come.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah. But is this like a tournament or they do this every day?
And for day also, but sometimes they have tournament from 2 villages.
Ah, okay.
Just between and the village with the same people, and when who reach first to the 50s, they will win.
Oh, I told you I love the village life. A lot of things happen. Okay. Bala na kayo mag-adjust sa concealer ko sa ilong. Kasi my pimple is still red. Buiset, diba? Hindi na maganda ilong mo. Sa gitna pa talaga magkaka-pimple. Kakaloka. I love this village. I love the village life. My God, I like this. I love village life kaso yung skin ko hindi pang village. See? Show you. Sana yan pa? See? You can see that because I think I'm getting like a reaction from woods. So the game is about to finish. I think like 3 more rounds or 3 more balls. I don't know what is it, but it's about to finish now. Anyways, going back, see? I don't know if you can see it, but every time that I get how do you say it? Like if I make dikit-dikit sa mga woods like this, I always get this. That's why when I have my own house, I cannot have woods because it's high maintenance, and I always get this. So there's a lot pa at my back and my legs as well. I'm cute now when they're doing that. I don't know why they're doing that again.
They want to move the other to nail because the other one hit it.
I like that, the pay. Nakakapagod daw. Hoy, see, there's a lot of kids here. Sabi ko kay Mokchara, if you go to the Philippines, you can only see like 2 to 4 kids in every neighborhood. Here, kada isang neighborhood, like 10 to 15 to 20, 30 max, di mo kaya. Ay, 30 max, no. More than that pa. See, Diyos ko, dami. Saan nila nakuha lahat ng batang to? Diyos ko po. Di mo kaya. Roti-roti. Ang hirap magpalaki ng bata sa Pilipinas. So, aminin niya, let's admit it. See?
Nana.
3 of this, anyone. 4. He hit there. So it's
he hit one of the balls. Let's just say it the Jolen because that's how we call it in the Philippines. Diba? So it's easy. So it's more easier to... Diba? Hindi ko matuloy yung English ko. Pa-expert na kasi. Oh, he hit it. Oh, diba? Amazing. Perfect. What about that? What about that? Hoy, it's 6:58 to 8 minutes left. My English will be gone. Ay, see, it's happening now. It's starting, everybody. So, everybody, that's it. Thank you, Shukriya. Shukriya. Nice meeting you. Okay, so yeah. Shukriya. Okay, everybody, that's it. We're gonna be going to dam now. So again, someone prepared the program for me. You're gonna see my bebe. Oh my God, he's so guapo. He was the one who prepared it for us. He texted me, I prepared something for you. Go to the dam at 7 p.m. Ay, gusto ko yung mga ganyan. Ba't may mga bata pag lumabas ako? Dami nila, no? Wala lang, ang dami niyo. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, sure. Okay, next location. Everybody, we are going. See, it's 7 p.m. Oh, 5 minutes before 7 p.m. My English is no longer working. It has expired. Okay, so we are going to our next location. Yeah, this is the one I'm telling you. I thought we were gonna go back to Johnny Depp's store. No. So this is the another store. May kambing. Takot, diba? Kasi mga napapanood kong mga memes, yung biglang sinisipa ng kambing, sinisipa. Hindi ko alam kung, I don't know how to say it. Basta they use their head to kill you, ganon. Dami namin salamalaikum. But I really love village life. I have been saying this to all my previous vlogs because I really love it. I don't want to go there from here. I really, really love to stay here. You know, earlier we went walking, story time, just a quick story time. We went walking earlier, but I forgot it's Friday. The stores here were closed. Oh, diba? Ay, may pahay silang lahat. Diba? Saya, everybody. See, I told you. I'm good. This your son? Your daughter?
Yes.
Ay, okay. Gagandang bata. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Okay, ang tawa. Kala. Mukcha, I think. Atram siya, oh. Kapitan, Tui. Kapitan na ano, Tui, Swabi. Kumaka, ano eh. They love me here, no, Patan?
Yes, too much.
They love me too much. See, I told you. See, they love me. I told you. Ganado ako mag-vlog. Na-stress kasi ako for the whole day. I was checking some of my footages. And I think there's something wrong with it. I hope not. Because too content yung masasayang. I really hope not. I'm fixing my laptop na. And my hard drives. I'm cleaning it. I'm repairing it. Because I can't afford to lose my two contents. I'm gonna show you the road. Me, your vlog is good but you're only showing your face. Yes. Kasi nga ganda-ganda nga ako sa sarili ko, di ba? So, minsan nakakalimutan kung maganda yung view kasi mas nakagandahan ako sa sarili ko. Okay, I'll show you na. Wait. Hoy, ang ganda, ang ganda. Aminin nyo yan. Kala mo na sa Batanes ka, day. Oh. This is the Batanes. Hoy, I'm officially saying it for everyone who's watching it. Suabi is the Batanes of the Philippines. Oh, ayan ha. Ano tayo? Since maganda yung... Ano ba? Since maganda yung... Since the... It's past 7, Patan! My English is not working anymore. My English is until 7 only. That's why if I want to make vlog, we should start at 4 and finish at 7. Like that. Wake up pa dyan. Hi, this is the, where some people play the cricket. But not too much today. But usually there's a lot of, like, Patans here playing the game. Playing cricket. But today, not much. This is the what is this? 3 to. We're gonna be doing like first the Koda game. Ano ba? Kumakadjut yung motor mo. Shoota ka. Okay, nawala ako sa focus. Maano kasi yung motor, gumaganong-ganon. Diba? Alam mo, kung di lang ako backpacker, bibili ako nung talaga, gimbal. Para maganda yung ko, hindi maalog. Ano nga sinasabi ko? Wait. So, this is also gonna be like the this is the Kundal Dam. And we have attended the... Wait nga, hindi ako makapag-chika pag wala yung face ko sa camera. Okay, let's go. So, this is gonna be like 3 contents. The first one, not 3 separate. I mean, in one whole vlog, there's gonna be 3 things happening. The one is the Koda? Koda, the game that we have just watched, the one where the old Patans were playing, and then I'm showing you the place, the mountain and the road. Again, this is the Batanes of Pakistan. And the third one is the program that we're going to be attending. You're going to see my bebe ko in a bit. He's so cute. The green and blue eyes, green brown eyes. You're gonna see him in a bit. And that's gonna be the last part of this vlog. Ang taray ng vlog ko na may mga part na siya. Hi! Improving my gardening. Let's do the ning. Diba? Ganun. Hi! Diyan ako. Magdahan-dahan ka. Shoota ka. Baka kala mo may replay dito. Pag tayo dumare-diretso talaga doon ay... Hi! See, everybody, I posted something on my Facebook, right? That I literally have to go on top of the mountain just to post something. So, there. Hindi na siya kita dito, but it's gonna be there. Ay, Assalamualaikum! Ang gwapo. Patan, ibaba mo ako dito. Ang gwapo nung naka-brown. Ay, naka-blue. put me down here. Ito na. There. See? Ayan yung hinahay ko. Makapag-post lang, makapag-reply lang sa mama ko sa messenger. Daan ako. Para lang makapag-reply sa comments. That is the place to be. Assalamualaikum. Hi, this is the dam with... And so, is this where we're going?
No, we're going down.
Okay.
Yeah, down.
Okay. I thought that's them. Okay, there's another program happening there. See? Oh, see, is this patient X?
No, Muhammad Oman.
Okay. Taray, outfit siya. Ang linis naman, tignan nito ngayon.
Assalamualaikum.
You look good today, ha? Assalamualaikum. Alaikum assalam.
Gawin di sangga.
Hoy, look at the dam. Wait nga, hindi kita. Mamaya, napakita ko yan. On top of the mountain, may featuring. Di ba, nasa gitna ka na ng bundok, may nagpipicture pa din sa iyo. Yeah, let's go. Patan, I have pa sa...
Thank you.
Nice meeting you. Yung cellphone ko pala to. Okay. Wala pa pala yung bebe ko nag-text. He's still at his home cooking. So, we're gonna be there first, I think. What about Upsar? He's going there? No. Okay, sure. Ang gwapo din nagdadrive. Pumunta ka sa Malabon. Sabi ko sa'yo, magkaka-NMAX ka kahit anong kulay, ipapahanap natin yan. How you know why I'm saying that this is the Batanes of the package? Slowly Batan. Because I wanna show this. See? Oh. See? It's beautiful. Wala lang beach. Pero okay na yan. Again, this is the masjid, everybody. It's a small masjid. Huh?
We go down.
Or whatever you want. Let's go, let's do it. I'm in the mood today. Okay. I'm hungry but I'm in the mood kasi I was able to... Let's go to Kashifa. Sino to? Hoy, Kagawad! Ikaw talaga kung saan ka namin nakikita! Talaga, si Kagawad naman. Dahil exposure nito sa vlog ko.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Jor,
Lang kita manito. Uy, hello. How are you? Ay, ikaw talaga. Ang cute mo. Sama ka sa Malabon. Charot. Sinama sa Malabon. Kagawad! Always around. Hoy, ang kita mo nito. Sama ka sa Malabon. Let's go. You go with me. Charot lang. Naman si Kagawad. Mga reaction ni Kagawad daw. Na-stress siya.
It's Habibi of Kagawad.
Habibi? Yeah. Be may Habibi to. Yun na. Sama ka sa Malabon. Dali na. NMAX to, hoy. Papalitan natin yung motor mo ng NMAX talaga dahil. Hoy, ang kita mo. Tara dito. Mag-smile ka. Hoy. Tama na. Mag-uwi na. Maghawak-hawak ng kamay agad. Remove the hands. Marupok ako. Di mo pwede tayo. Believe it out. Kutsara, He's holding my hand. Look. He's not removing it.
You hold.
I hold ba? Sorry. Akala ko ako. Charotera. Tara na. Dahil na naman, chika. Magkikita naman tayo sa bahay. Yes, let's go. Swabi. You did not buy anything for me? Makeup? Cake? I want cake. Just kidding. But I didn't see him before. Really? He saw me before?
Told you. Come tonight there.
Okay. I wait for you. We have a program for you as well. Ang gwapo naman ito. Huwag kang umingiti. Ang gwapo nung ngiti. Ala. Isa pa. Dali. Ang gwapo. Tara mo yung ngiti niya. Dali na mag-ngiti. Ay! Kagawad. You go! Tara na, Patan! Yes! I'm meeting my Habibi also tonight. Bitawan mo yung kamay ko. Bitawan mo yung kamay ko. Ay, charot. Puro ka lang diyan na. Dali na, Makshara. Bye-bye, Lapes. Huwag pa. Okay, let's do this. So we're gonna go down. Where are we going, Patan? Kandal daw. Let's go there. Di mo kaya yung tricycle in the bundok. Let's do tricycle in the bundok. Hello. Assalamualaikum. How are you? Galabala. Tahir Ali. Oh, here, we're gonna go here. Wait nga. I sit down. I will sit, yes, of course. I'm tired, no? You don't say to sitting. Hoy, tignan mo yung mga bagets, oh, di ba? Pauwi na sila, nakasakay sa donkey. I love this. So cute, right? Hoy, tuwan-tuwa ako, ang cute. Kung pwede lang magganyan sa Malabon, dahil talaga. Promise. Assalamualaikum, my friend. Ah, okay.
Sherifan Nipiu.
Yeah. Brother of Sherif Khan. This is the son. Okay. Ah. Kung naguguluhan kayo, ako din. Nagpapanggap lang ako, naiintindihan ko. Hi everybody, we have... Aray! Ang sakit! Tinamaan ako ng patan! Tinamaan ako ng bakal! Aray! Ang sakit! Parang nakayod yung balat ko. You go na! Aluwak ko ka na lang! Hi! We have arrived, everybody. Okay. There's a prayer. I'll continue my vlog later. Let's respect that. Wait. Everybody meet my friend. We have arrived with my friend. What's your name?
Zilhak.
Zilfak.
Hak, Zilhak. No, Zilhak.
Hindi ko ma-pronounce yung name na kasi sabi ko na lang Zilfak. Again? Oh, Zilkak.
Ah, yes.
Zilkak.
Zilhak.
Everybody meet my bebe. Ito na ang aking bebe. Nakahawa ka agad sa kamay ko. Hoy, ito naman siya. Oh, tara na. Siya na magsweet-sweetan. What you cooking for me? Ay, sweet naman. Huwag kang masyado nagsit-sweet sa akin. Marupok ako. Pag mga tinitignan. Baka magkatuloy. Ligawan mo ako. Tayo na lang. You love me?
Yes.
You miss me? Yes. Is shy. Magluto ka na. Magluto ka na. What are you cooking? Fish? Chicken?
Fish,
Whose house is this?
Both. Chicken.
This is also... Ang dami mong bahay, no? Hoy, alam mo ba, may mga workers pa to sa bahay nila. Oh, hi! Di na ako talo dito. Tara na, uwi tayo Malabon. Bili kita NMAX. NMAX, tsaka ano ba? Kahit anong gusto, mabili natin yan. Nakapag-ipon-ipon naman ako. Pero dito muna tayo sa damuhan. Charot lang. Hindi kasama yun. Ano ba? This also you?
Yes.
Hoy, ang yaman mo naman. This is the farm.
Yes.
Morning you called me, right? The sugar cane?
Okay.
He called me earlier. Sabi niya may ginagawa daw siya. Nagpunta. Pagkakahawak mo naman sa kamay ko, uy, grabe ka naman. Kala mo naman, hindi ako lalayo. Dito na lang ako sa'yo. Tara na nga. Ba yan? Grabe yung hawak niya sa akin, no?
Okay.
Ayun na akong bitawan.
Picture that.
Nagmo-moment pa kami ni Sulaiman, eh.
Recording start there.
May good. This good. Babay na. Magluto ka dyan. Magmo-moment lang kami ni Sulaiman. You cook, we will have moment together. Oh, see his land. Ang gwapo na. Meron pang kalupaan. Aarte pa ba ako? Hindi. You love me?
Yes.
Hi, narinig nyo yan? Ito yung totoong kilig, promise. Ito yung kilig na hindi ko pinafake talaga. You miss me? My God, tayo na. Ligaw mo na ako. Tayo na? We together? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Uy, ano ba? Gwapo tara na nga, Sulaiman. Papagalitan ako ni Mokchara. Papagalitan na naman ako niyan. Magandi ka na naman. Let's go. Tara na, magluto ka doon. Puro tayo pagdalandin dalawa dito. Mabash na naman ako niyan. Sabi, puro landin na naman yung vlog ko. Totoo din naman. Present picture. Let's go. Hoy, magluto sila. Wait. See, I'll just show them. I like this. You know, when we were in Bicol, I think, no. When we were kids, we used to go to Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija, and then we do this kind of cooking. Okay, let's take picture na. Zilfak. Para ko lang naman yan. Ano ba? Tari ng mga edit nyo sa mukha ako, no? Yeah. I don't know how to edit kasi hindi ako nag-filter. Ay! Talaga namang na-stock mo na ako ng buong. Nasa kailaliman na ng Instagram ko. Unang post ko yan. Nahanap mo na yung picture ko. Ay, wala na akong battery. Wait lang. Uy, gustong gusto ko yung mga ganito, yung mga luto-lutuan. I like this. See, I told you. I'm born to live in a village. It's just my skin is so maarte. But me, I like village. Kasi ba naman, 5 years ka sa Dubai, city life. Kaya parang super happy ka na to see nature, natural. Sweet-sweetan ka din eh. See, sweet to me patan. Ay. The patan is here. The muktiya, remove that. Nasir, yari ka dyan. Gilit-awayin ka niyan talaga. Ang gwapo nito. Wait nga, tanga rin yung auto-focus para dalawa tayo ma-focus. Patan natin. Hala, magpaypay ka na. Sit-sitan nga tayo sa vlog ko, diba?
Joder, para que te guste, güey.
Ay,
Ya porque te puso bullying ahora, estaba que le da chica.
ang lamok.
Has estado con la bullying porque katara wali.
Shucks, malabas yung kalandian ko napapan. Ma'am, I'm so sorry. This is your real anak.
Sangga.
Kasi mag-chat-chat na naman yung kuya ko. Huwag ka masyadong maglandi, oy. Sabi ko, ganyan talaga ako, oy. Wait, alam mo kung ganito lang ganito, magtambay na lang talaga ako sa bukid ay. Ang gwapo, shucks. Kaya katang panoorin, 24 hours. Walang tulog. Nothing. Oo. You don't need to do anything, just look at the camera. Tanong mo ito. I'm making a video. Patan, let's exchange position. Here. Because my position is, yeah.
Your position is not good.
Because I look good on the right side.
Okay, ayaman to di ka.
Wait na. Nabayaw steeper. Oh, it's basa. Is it basa? Hi, is that a fish or chicken? But I think if it's Friday, too much people making an also no program there, no?
Yes, too much, too many. Maybe around more than 10
Yeah.
groups there.
Everybody, this is gonna be our last program for today. So we're in the middle of Sulaiman's house, outside. So we're gonna having our dinner here. Oh my God, it's so good. I'm excited. Let's do this.
Hi, everybody, we are eating now.
Put light like this.
Okay.
Agora udah agora.
Ada.
Oh really? You saw someone is there? Wow. Someone there?
No.
This is good, Patan, kasi if we go there in the mountain, it's so cold. Patan, look here. One, two. Hey, everybody. So, thanks again to Zia. So, he was the one who cooked the rice for today's video, and Sulaiman who arranged our dinner for today. So, I hope you... Okay, and their new friend, the businessman. Okay. And Sir Ali, is he here? So, yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog, and you have a great night, because I had a good one. Again, this is Kay Toretto, and goodbye.